COVID-19 isn't just hitting sports events. The Center Theater Group has announced it's canceling a popular play that features an A-list lead actor.
KCAL 9's Joy Benedict has a look at how COVID is affecting plans right ahead of the holiday.
The show must go on until it can't, as the beloved performance of A Christmas Carol is the latest casualty of the pandemic. The Ahmanson Theater canceled 3 shows this weekend after breakthrough positive cases were reported within the company, as COVID-19 is once again playing Grinch.
So we're going to a Christmas party tonight. We got the invite that asked for a white elephant gift and to make sure that we had a negative COVID test so that we don't spread it.
Meanwhile, testing is on the rise, a sign that many are taking the uptick in cases seriously.
I think it's a good idea that we're all getting tested so we don't spread it.
At Elements Pharmacy in Studio City, the line for testing is constant, as pharmacists are seeing 3 times the customers they tested before Thanksgiving.
People wake up, they don't feel well, they have a sore throat, they have a stomach ache, something else is bothering them. First thing they think about is to test, which is really the right thing to do.
And new cases nationwide are up 36% in the last 2 weeks.
We're looking over our shoulder at Omicron, which will assume a dominant role, I would imagine, within a period of a few weeks to as we go into January.
In response, the LA County Health Department has new guidelines when it comes to mega events. For the unvaccinated, that means an antigen test the day before or a PCR test within 2 days of the event.
The antigen tests are designed and tested on people who have symptoms. So for people who don't have symptoms, sometimes the antigen tests aren't as reliable as the PCR tests.
But even if your event or gathering is small, those waiting for the swab say testing is just the right thing to do.
If I have it, I don't want to spread it to other people.
Maybe then we can get past it and just, live the way we used to live prior to COVID.
It's important to remember that even though the rules changed when it comes to mega events within Los Angeles County, the city of Pasadena has its own health department. So when it comes to the Rose Bowl, in order to be admitted, you still need proof of vaccination or a negative test within 72 hours of the game. And of course, you have to wear a mask. From Studio City, I'm Joy Benedict, KCAL 9 News.